This lesson is of class 4 for the subject of mathematics, topic subtraction, which is covered in your textbook, and it is submitted to you on 3rd of May 2021. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic subtraction. As you can see here, 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So here 8 we called is minuend and 2 is called subtrahend. And the answer we got is called difference. Students, you all have already done the chapter subtraction in your previous class also. So let us start now the subtraction in columns. That is very easy. First of all, we have to subtract 76,547 from 92,474. So what we will do, we will first write them in columns like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then simple subtraction we have done. Since we have to subtract 76,547 from 92,474, it means we will write this number on the top. Clear? Now, in the next question, we have to find the difference between 5,64,782 and 7,81,247. Since this number is bigger and this is smaller one, so it means we will write it on the top, then we will subtract both the numbers. So now we will find the difference. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then we will take 1 from here, borrow 1 from here, we get 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 11 minus 7 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So our answer is 2,16,465. Clear? We can also check whether our answer is correct or not. But how can we check it? Yes, we can check our answer by addition. The question is subtract 2,57,782 from 2,85,269, and then we have to verify the answer. Verify the answer means we will check whether our answer is correct or not. So now first of all we have done the simple subtraction and we got 27,487. Now how can we see whether our answer is correct or not? Yes, what we will do, we will add these two numbers. Fine. So on adding, if their result is coming this number, then it means our answer is correct. So now we have added these two numbers and we got this one. So as you all can see, these both numbers are same. So it means our answer is correct. Fine. So now in the next question, again we have to subtract the two numbers and then we have to verify. Subtract 2,49,381 from 7,23,042 and then verify. So again, simple subtraction we have done. Now we add this number in this number, and on adding these two numbers, if we are getting again this number, it means our answer is correct. Clear to all? Let us discuss some word problems based on subtraction. The first question is, the total sale for 2 months at a jewelry shop is rupees 2,90,850. If the sale in the first month is given to us, that is 1,29,456, then what will be the sale for the second month? So now total sale for the 2 months is given to us, and for 1 month we know, and for the second month we have to find out. So what we will do? Yes, we will do the subtraction. So total sale is this one. Then the sale in first month is 1,29,456. Then if we have to find the sale in second month, we will do the subtraction. And on the simple subtraction, we got the sale for second month is 1,61,394. Now children, let us discuss next question. On Monday, 1,58,379 bags of wheat were supplied to the grocery shop on Monday. And what happened on Tuesday? This much means 94,479 bags were supplied. Now we have to tell on which day the more bags supplied, and how many more bags are supplied, we have to tell it also. So now on Tuesday, bags supplied was 94,479, and on Monday 1,58,379. So it is very clear that the bags supplied on Monday are more than the bags supplied on Tuesday. Clear? Tell how many more bags were supplied on Tuesday. We will check it by the subtraction, and on subtraction we got 63,900. Now let us start the next question. That is very interesting question also. The sum of two numbers is given to us, that is 64,282, and one of them is also given to us, that is 32,100. We have to find the other number. Now let us discuss it with the help of an example. Suppose Ria is having total 100 rupees. 60 rupees she gave to Monica. Now can you tell me how much money is left with now Ria? Yes, that is 40 rupees. Means we did the subtraction. Now in this case also, we know the sum of two numbers is 64,282, and one of the number is also we know. So on subtraction, we can easily find the other number. And what is the other number coming? Yes, that is 32,182. Clear? Let us discuss the properties of subtraction. The first property is if we subtract 0 from any number, the number we will get itself. Means if we are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer will be that number only. So it means any number means we can take a here. A minus 0 will be always equals to that particular number. Second one is if a number is subtracted from the same number, means 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So if we subtract any number from the same number, the result we get is always 0. Clear? So now let us discuss exercise 3.3. 26,441 minus what gives you the same number? Means what number we subtract from 26,441 so that we get the same number, that is 0. In the next, 8,72,914 minus what number will give you 0. So it is very clear the same number subtraction gives us 0. Clear? Now next one is blank minus 1,12,589 gives you 0. So here also the same number subtraction gives you 0. Clear? So now your homework is you have to do exercise 3.1 full, 3.2 only question B, D, F, I and J, and exercise 3.3 you have to do in book. Thank you, children.